Hey guys, my name is That Quiet Kid, and today we're going to see how we can convert a Python file to an exe file. So I'm using PyCharm here, and you have to go to this terminal at the bottom, click here, and install a module called uh, auto. Okay, install auto-py-to-exe. I guess to exe. Okay, click enter, and okay, it has installed. So let's create a Python file here first. Let us take a variable var and save it. My name is that quiet kid, and let's make a simple program and print it. Okay, so click on run. Yes, our Python program is running. So now we have to convert this into an exe file. So what we have to do is click on terminal and now do auto, click enter. Okay, it will ask you to specify the location. Click on browse and click on this rough. That is my file name. It is only one file, and click on convert py to exe. Now that it has converted our Python file into an exe file, click on open output folder, and rough was our Python file. Click on this file and go to properties, and you can see that this is a application. This is a .exe application, and in this way you can convert any Python file into an exe file with just one command using PyCharm.